Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for respiratory issues due to its antiviral, antibacterial, expectorant, and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been traditionally used in herbal medicine to relieve symptoms of colds, coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory ailments. How Star Anise supports respiratory health. 1. Acts as a natural expectorant, helps loosen and expel mucus from the lungs, clears congestion, and improves breathing. 2. Antiviral and antibacterial properties, contains shikimic acid, which is a key ingredient in antiviral medications like Tamiflu, fights respiratory infections caused by viruses and bacteria. Soothes sore throat and cough. Star Anise reduces throat irritation and inflammation. It also eases persistent coughs and prevents excessive mucus buildup. Relieves asthma and bronchitis. This amazing spice helps open airways and reduces inflammation. It calms asthma symptoms by relaxing bronchial muscles. Strengthens the immune system. Star Anise is rich in antioxidants that protect the respiratory system from infections. It also supports overall lung health. How to use Star Anise for respiratory health. Star Anise tea for cough and congestion. Ingredients: 1 to 2 whole Star Anise pods, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 teaspoon of honey, which is optional, and 1 slice of ginger, also optional. Instructions: crush the Star Anise pods slightly to release their oils. Steep in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add honey or ginger for extra benefits. Drink 2 to 3 times daily for relief from cough and congestion. Star Anise steam inhalation for sinus and chest congestion. Ingredients: 2 to 3 Star Anise pods, 4 cups of boiling water, and a towel. Instructions: add Star Anise pods to a bowl of boiling water. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and inhale deeply for 10 minutes. Repeat 1 to 2 times daily for relief from nasal congestion and chest tightness. Star Anise and honey cough syrup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of crushed Star Anise, 1 cup of raw honey, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is optional. Instructions: mix the crushed Star Anise with honey in a jar. Let it sit for 24 hours to infuse. Take 1 teaspoon every 3 to 4 hours for cough relief. Star Anise oil chest. Rub for cough and bronchitis. Ingredients: 2 drops of Star Anise essential oil and 1 tablespoon of either coconut or olive oil. Instructions: mix the essential oil with the carrier oil. Then, massage onto the chest and throat before bed. This helps clear airways and improve breathing. Precautions and side effects. Avoid excessive consumption, which means no more than 2 to 3 cups of tea per day. Pregnant women and young children should consult a doctor before using. Ensure you use Chinese Star Anise, known as Illicium verum, and not the toxic Japanese Star Anise Illicium anisatum. Would you like more remedies or a specific formulation for asthma, bronchitis, or flu relief? Star Anise remedies for asthma, bronchitis, and flu relief. Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for respiratory ailments, including asthma, bronchitis, and flu, due to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, expectorant, and immune-boosting properties. Below are targeted remedies for each condition. Star Anise, remedy for asthma relief. Asthma causes airway inflammation, leading to difficulty in breathing, wheezing, and chest tightness. Star Anise helps by relaxing bronchial muscles and reducing inflammation. Star Anise and ginger tea for asthma. Ingredients: 1 to 2 whole Star Anise pods, a 1-inch piece of ginger, sliced, 1 teaspoon raw honey, and 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: crush the Star Anise pods to release their oils. Add Star Anise and ginger to boiling water. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. Add honey and drink twice daily to reduce asthma symptoms. Why it works. Star Anise opens airways and reduces inflammation. Ginger is a natural bronchodilator that relaxes the respiratory system. Honey soothes irritated airways. Star Anise and black seed oil, topical remedy for asthma. Ingredients: 3 drops Star Anise essential oil and 1 tablespoon black seed oil. Instructions: mix both oils and warm slightly. Massage onto the chest and back before bedtime. This helps open airways and reduces nighttime asthma attacks. Star Anise remedy for bronchitis. Bronchitis involves inflammation of the bronchial tubes, leading to persistent cough, mucus buildup, and difficulty breathing. Star Anise and licorice root cough syrup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons crushed Star Anise, 1 tablespoon licorice root for soothing airways, 1 cup raw honey, and half a teaspoon cinnamon powder. Instructions: mix Star Anise and licorice root with honey. Let it infuse for 24 hours. Take 1 teaspoon every 4 to 6 hours for bronchitis relief. Why it works. Star Anise loosens mucus and reduces inflammation. Licorice root soothes throat irritation. Cinnamon is antimicrobial and immune boosting. Star Anise steam inhalation for bronchitis. Ingredients: 3 Star Anise pods, 4 cups boiling water, and a towel. Instructions: add Star Anise to boiling water. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and inhale deeply for 10 minutes. Repeat twice daily for mucus clearance and easier breathing. Star Anise remedy for flu and cold relief. The flu causes fever, body aches, sore throat, and congestion. Star Anise helps fight viruses, boosts immunity, and relieves symptoms. Star Anise and turmeric immune boosting tea. Ingredients: 2 whole Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, enhances turmeric absorption, 1 cup hot water, and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Instructions: steep Star Anise in boiling water for 10 minutes. Add turmeric, black pepper, and honey. Drink twice daily during flu season for immune support. Why it works. Star Anise contains shikimic acid, an antiviral compound used in flu medications. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and immunity booster. Black pepper increases absorption of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Star Anise and eucalyptus chest rub for flu relief. Ingredients: 3 drops Star Anise essential oil, 3 drops eucalyptus essential oil, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Instructions: mix all oils and warm slightly. Massage onto the chest and back before bedtime. This helps open nasal passages and improve breathing. Additional tips for respiratory health with Star Anise. Drink warm Star Anise tea daily during flu season. Use Star Anise steam therapy to keep airways clear. Add Star Anise to soups and broths for extra immune support. Massage Star Anise oil onto the chest to ease breathing. Star Anise for postpartum recovery. How it helps: supports uterine contraction and helps the uterus shrink back to its normal size. Aids in hormonal rebalancing after childbirth. Stimulates breast milk production in nursing mothers. Remedy: Star Anise and fenugreek lactation tea. Ingredients: 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 cup hot water, and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Instructions: steep the Star Anise, fenugreek, and fennel in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add honey. Drink twice daily to improve milk supply and postpartum recovery. Additional tip: drinking warm Star Anise-infused water throughout the day helps with womb healing. Star Anise for vaginal health and infections. How it helps. Acts as a natural antifungal and antibacterial remedy for vaginal infections, such as yeast infections and bacterial vaginosis. Helps maintain vaginal pH balance, supports vaginal tightening and toning. Remedy: Star Anise vaginal wash for yeast and bacterial infections. Ingredients: 3 Star Anise pods and 2 cups water. Instructions: boil the Star Anise in water for 15 minutes. Let it cool to a lukewarm temperature. Use as a vaginal rinse twice daily for 3 to 5 days to clear infections. Remedy: Star Anise and yogurt. Vaginal infection treatment. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ground Star Anise and 2 tablespoons plain probiotic yogurt. Instructions: mix ground Star Anise into the yogurt. Apply externally to the vaginal area for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use daily for 3 to 5 days to eliminate yeast infections. Star Anise for male stamina and energy. How it helps. Boosts testosterone levels naturally. Improves blood circulation to enhance stamina. Supports muscle recovery and endurance. Remedy: Star Anise and maca root energy booster smoothie. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ground Star Anise, 1 tablespoon maca root powder, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, and half a teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Drink daily for improved stamina and libido enhancement. Star Anise for erectile dysfunction and blood circulation. How it helps. Acts as a natural aphrodisiac, enhancing sexual performance. Increases blood flow to the genital area. Reduces stress-related erectile dysfunction. Remedy: Star Anise and ginseng. ED remedy tea. Ingredients: 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon dried ginseng root, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: steep all ingredients in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink once daily. Remedy: Star Anise massage oil for blood circulation. Ingredients: 3 drops Star Anise essential oil, 2 drops black pepper essential oil, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Instructions: mix oils and warm slightly. Massage onto the lower abdomen and thighs before intimacy. Star Anise can be a real game changer for hormonal balance in both men and women. It helps regulate estrogen and testosterone levels, which can be super beneficial. Plus, it aids with mood swings, fatigue, and even low libido. And let's not forget, it supports both adrenal and thyroid health. So here's a simple remedy: Star Anise and Ashwagandha Adaptogen Tea. You'll need 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder to support adrenal health, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 cup of warm almond milk. First, steep the Star Anise in warm almond milk for about 10 minutes. Then add the ashwagandha powder and honey. Drink this daily to help regulate your hormones. It's that easy. Star Anise for enhancing female libido. So, how does it help? Well, it increases blood flow to the reproductive organs, acts as a natural aphrodisiac for women, and reduces stress and anxiety that can lower libido. Here's a simple remedy: Star Anise and Damiana Libido Tea. You'll need 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon of dried Damiana leaves, which is an aphrodisiac for women, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 cup of boiling water. Just steep the Star Anise and Damiana leaves in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain and drink once daily. Star Anise for vaginal tightening and toning. How does it help? It supports vaginal muscle toning postpartum or after childbirth and aids in natural lubrication. Here's a remedy for you: Star Anise and pomegranate skin tightening drink. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground Star Anise, half a teaspoon of dried pomegranate peel powder, which tightens vaginal muscles, and 1 cup of warm water. Mix all the ingredients and drink once daily for at least 2 weeks. Star Anise for menstrual-related headaches and fatigue. How does it help? It relieves tension headaches caused by hormonal fluctuations and provides natural energy to combat menstrual fatigue. Here's a remedy: Star Anise and lavender headache relief tea. You'll need 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender flowers, which are calming and pain-relieving, and 1 cup of boiling water. Steep all the ingredients in boiling water for 10 minutes. Then strain and drink twice daily for menstrual headache relief. Safety precautions and recommendations. If you're pregnant, avoid consuming large amounts of Star Anise. For breastfeeding mothers, Star Anise in small amounts can enhance milk production, but excessive consumption should be monitored. Always test in small doses to ensure no allergic reactions. If you have conditions like PCOS or estrogen dominance, consult a healthcare provider before use. And remember, use only Chinese Star Anise. Avoid Japanese Star Anise, as it is toxic. Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for postpartum recovery, vaginal health, male stamina, fertility, and hormonal balance. These remedies can enhance reproductive wellness and support sexual health naturally. Advanced Star Anise remedies for specific reproductive health concerns. Star Anise is an effective natural remedy for conditions such as endometriosis, fibroids, testosterone deficiency, and other reproductive health concerns. Below are specialized remedies tailored for each condition. Star Anise for endometriosis relief. How it helps: reduces inflammation and pain associated with endometriosis, helps balance estrogen dominance, a common issue in endometriosis, supports immune function to prevent excessive tissue growth. Remedy: Star Anise and turmeric anti-inflammatory tea. Ingredients: 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger, 1 cup boiling water, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Instructions: steep Star Anise, turmeric, and ginger in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add honey. Drink twice daily to reduce pain and inflammation. Additional tip: applying warm Star Anise-infused coconut oil to the lower abdomen can relieve cramps and bloating. Star Anise for uterine fibroid shrinking. How it helps: regulates estrogen levels, preventing fibroid growth. Acts as an anti-inflammatory agent to shrink fibroids naturally. Improves circulation to the uterus, reducing fibroid symptoms. Remedy: Star Anise and green tea uterine detox drink. Ingredients: 2 Star Anise pods, 1 green tea bag, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup hot water. Instructions: steep all ingredients in hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink once daily for fibroid reduction. Additional tip: drinking Star Anise and beetroot juice also helps regulate hormonal imbalances linked to fibroids. Star Anise for low testosterone in men. How does it help? Well, it naturally boosts testosterone production, improves sperm quality, muscle strength, and energy levels. Plus, it enhances libido and sexual stamina. Let's talk about a remedy: Star Anise and Pine Pollen Testosterone Booster. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground star anise, half a teaspoon of pine pollen powder, which is rich in natural testosterone, and 1 cup of warm almond milk. Just mix the ingredients and drink once daily, preferably in the morning. Another remedy is the Star Anise and Fenugreek Testosterone Tea. For this, you'll need 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, which boosts testosterone and libido, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 cup of boiling water. Steep all ingredients in boiling water for 10 minutes, strain and drink daily for improved testosterone levels. Star Anise for boosting ovulation in women. How does it help? It supports follicle development and promotes ovulation. It also balances progesterone and estrogen for healthy menstrual cycles and reduces stress, a common factor in an ovulation, or lack of ovulation. Here's a remedy: Star Anise and Red Clover Ovulation Support Tea. You'll need 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon of red clover, half a teaspoon of maca root powder, and 1 cup of hot water. Steep all ingredients in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink daily from day 1 to day 14 of the menstrual cycle. An additional tip: pair this with Star Anise infused castor oil packs on the abdomen to improve ovarian function. Star Anise for erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. How does it help? It enhances blood circulation to the penile area, increases libido and stamina, and reduces stress-related performance anxiety. For a remedy, try the Star Anise and L-arginine circulation booster drink. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground star anise, half a teaspoon of L-arginine powder, which improves blood flow, and 1 cup of pomegranate juice, a natural nitric oxide booster. Mix the ingredients and drink 30 minutes before sexual activity for improved performance. Star Anise for polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, hormonal balance. So, how does it help? Well, it regulates insulin levels, which is a key factor in managing PCOS. It also reduces excess testosterone that can cause acne, hair loss, and irregular cycles. Plus, it improves ovarian function for better fertility. Now, for the remedy: a Star Anise and Spearmint PCOS Hormone Balance Tea. The ingredients you'll need are 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon of spearmint leaves, which lowers testosterone levels in PCOS, and 1 cup of boiling water. Instructions: steep the Star Anise and spearmint in boiling water for 10 minutes. Then strain and drink twice daily for at least 3 months. Star Anise for preventing miscarriage and providing pregnancy support. How does it help? It provides uterine support to reduce miscarriage risk. It strengthens progesterone levels, which are crucial for early pregnancy. Additionally, it helps with morning sickness and nausea. The remedy is a Star Anise and Ginger Pregnancy Tonic. You'll need 1 Star Anise pod, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 cup of warm water. Instructions: steep the Star Anise and ginger in warm water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink once daily in early pregnancy. Just a little caution: do not consume excessive Star Anise during pregnancy without consulting a doctor. Star Anise for vaginal dryness and sexual pleasure enhancement. So how does it help? It acts as a natural lubricant enhancer. It increases blood flow to vaginal tissues, improving sensitivity. It also supports natural moisture balance. The remedy is a Star Anise and Fenugreek Vaginal Hydration Drink. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon of ground star anise, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, which stimulates natural lubrication, and 1 cup of warm oat milk. Instructions: mix the ingredients and drink daily for at least 2 weeks. An additional tip: use Star Anise infused coconut oil as a natural vaginal moisturizer. Star Anise for enhancing male fertility and sperm count. How it helps: it improves sperm motility and count, provides antioxidants that protect sperm from damage, and increases sexual vitality. Remedy: Star Anise and Black Seed Fertility Booster. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ground star anise, 1 teaspoon black seed powder, which boosts sperm production, and 1 tablespoon raw honey. Instructions: mix all ingredients and consume twice daily. Final safety guidelines. For pregnancy, use in moderation and under guidance. For hormonal disorders, consult a doctor before using if you have estrogen-sensitive conditions. For blood pressure and medications, Star Anise may interact with certain medications, so use with caution. Conclusion: Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for reproductive health, fertility, hormonal balance, and sexual wellness. These remedies, when used consistently, can significantly improve men's and women's reproductive function naturally. Star Anise for hair health, growth, strength, and scalp care. Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for hair care, offering benefits such as stimulating hair growth, reducing dandruff, preventing premature graying, and strengthening hair follicles. Its antioxidant, antibacterial, and circulation-boosting properties make it an excellent ingredient for maintaining healthy, thick, and shiny hair. Star Anise for hair growth and thickness. How it helps: stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair follicle activity, strengthens the roots, reducing hair thinning and shedding, contains phytoestrogens, which help balance hormones affecting hair growth. Remedy: Star Anise and coconut oil hair growth treatment. Ingredients: 3 Star Anise pods ground into powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which deeply nourishes the scalp, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, which boosts hair thickness. Instructions: warm the coconut oil and add the Star Anise powder and castor oil. Massage into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it overnight or for at least 2 hours, then wash with a mild shampoo. Use 3 times a week for noticeable results. Additional tip: for faster hair growth, drink Star Anise tea to improve circulation and provide nutrients from within. Star Anise for dandruff and dry scalp. How it helps: contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that eliminate dandruff, hydrates and soothes itchy, flaky scalp, removes excess oil and balances sebum production. Remedy: Star Anise and aloe vera anti-dandruff spray. Ingredients: 1 cup of aloe vera juice, which soothes the scalp, 5 Star Anise pods boiled in 1 cup of water, then strained, 5 drops of tea tree oil, which is antifungal and dandruff fighting. Instructions: boil the Star Anise pods in water for 10 minutes, then strain. Mix the Star Anise water with aloe vera juice and tea tree oil. Pour into a spray bottle and apply to the scalp daily. Leave it on, no need to rinse. Alternative: you can use Star Anise infused oil as a pre-shampoo scalp treatment. Star Anise for preventing hair loss. How it helps: strengthens hair follicles, reducing breakage and hair fall, improves keratin production, making hair strands more resilient, reduces stress-related hair loss by promoting relaxation. Remedy: Star Anise and fenugreek hair strengthening mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of Star Anise powder, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed paste, which is rich in protein and nutrients, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which moisturizes and nourishes hair. Instructions: blend fenugreek seeds into a paste and mix with yogurt and Star Anise powder. Apply to the scalp and hair for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Use twice a week to strengthen hair and prevent shedding. Star Anise for premature graying. How it helps: packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals causing gray hair, supports melanin production, the pigment responsible for hair color, nourishes hair strands, preventing dullness. Remedy: Star Anise and black tea hair rinse. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of Star Anise powder, 1 cup of black tea, which is rich in tannins that darken hair naturally, 1 teaspoon of amla powder, which stimulates melanin production. Instructions: boil the Star Anise in black tea for 10 minutes, then strain. Add amla powder and mix well. Pour over your hair after shampooing. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Use twice a week for best results. Star Anise for itchy and inflamed scalp. How it helps: it soothes scalp irritation and inflammation, eliminates fungal infections causing itchiness, and hydrates dry, flaky skin. Remedy: Star Anise and chamomile scalp soothing oil. Ingredients: 3 drops of Star Anise essential oil, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, which closely resembles natural scalp oil, and 1 tablespoon of chamomile-infused oil to reduce scalp irritation. Instructions: mix all ingredients and warm slightly. Massage into the scalp and leave on for 1 hour before washing. Use twice a week to calm an itchy scalp. Star Anise for split ends and hair repair. How it helps: it repairs damaged and brittle hair, adds shine and smoothness to rough hair, and seals split ends, preventing breakage. Remedy: Star Anise and honey deep conditioning treatment. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of Star Anise powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, a natural humectant for hydration, and 1 tablespoon of coconut milk to strengthen hair proteins. Instructions: mix all ingredients and apply to damp hair. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use weekly for best results. Star Anise for natural hair shine and smoothness. How it helps: it adds a natural sheen to hair, makes hair silky and manageable, and controls frizz and dryness. Remedy: Star Anise and apple cider vinegar shine rinse. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of Star Anise powder, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to balance pH and add shine, and 1 cup of water. Instructions: mix all ingredients and use as a final rinse after shampooing. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Use twice a week for glossy, healthy hair. Star Anise for hair detox and scalp cleansing. How does it help? Well, it removes product buildup and excess oil, detoxifies the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth, and encourages stronger, cleaner follicles. Now here's a remedy you can try: a Star Anise and bentonite clay detox mask. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, which draws out toxins, 1 teaspoon of Star Anise powder, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. To make the mask, mix all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply it to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 15 minutes. Then, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this mask once a month to detoxify your scalp. Now let's go over some final safety tips and recommendations. First, always do an allergy check by performing a patch test before using Star Anise products on your scalp. Make sure to use authentic Star Anise and avoid Japanese Star Anise, which is toxic. Also, avoid overuse. Excessive use of Star Anise essential oil may cause scalp irritation, so always dilute it. Star Anise is an excellent natural remedy for hair growth, dandruff control, scalp health, premature graying, and hair repair. By using these remedies consistently, you can achieve stronger, healthier, and shinier hair naturally. Hair loss can be caused by hormonal imbalances, postpartum recovery, or scalp conditions like psoriasis. Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy that helps regulate hormones, strengthen hair follicles, and soothe scalp issues. Below are targeted remedies for each specific condition. 1. Star Anise for hormonal hair loss, such as PCOS, thyroid, and menopause-related hair thinning. How it helps: contains phytoestrogens that balance estrogen and testosterone levels, improves circulation to the scalp, boosting follicle health, fights oxidative stress, preventing premature thinning. Remedy: Star Anise and spearmint hormone balancing tea. Ingredients: 2 Star Anise pods, 1 teaspoon spearmint leaves, which reduces excess testosterone in PCOS, half a teaspoon licorice root that balances estrogen levels, and 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: steep all ingredients in boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink daily for at least 3 months to regulate hormones. Additional hair treatment: use Star Anise and castor oil scalp massage twice a week to strengthen follicles. 2. Star Anise for postpartum hair loss. How it helps: supports hormonal recovery after pregnancy, provides essential nutrients to rebuild hair strength, reduces stress-related shedding. Remedy: Star Anise and fenugreek hair growth oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, which nourishes the scalp, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed powder that prevents excessive shedding, and 1 teaspoon Star Anise powder. Instructions: warm coconut oil and mix with fenugreek and Star Anise. Massage into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave for 2 hours or overnight, then wash with mild shampoo. Use 3 times a week for postpartum hair recovery. Additional tip: drink Star Anise and oat milk tea to boost iron and vitamin levels after childbirth. 3. Star Anise for scalp psoriasis and severe itching. How it helps: has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe scalp irritation, fights fungal infections and flakiness, hydrates the scalp and reduces red patches. Remedy: Star Anise and aloe vera, soothing scalp gel. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise infused water, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, which calms inflammation, and 3 drops tea tree oil that fights scalp infections. Instructions: mix all ingredients into a gel. Apply to affected areas of the scalp. Leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse. Use daily until psoriasis improves. Additional tip: avoid harsh shampoos. Use a mild sulfate-free shampoo with Star Anise extract. Final tips and safety: scalp sensitivity. Always do a patch test before applying Star Anise treatments. Consistency is key. Use remedies for at least 3 months for visible results. Combine internal and external remedies. Drink Star Anise tea and apply Star Anise scalp treatments for best results. Conclusion: Star Anise is a natural and effective solution for hormonal hair loss, postpartum hair thinning, and scalp psoriasis. These remedies nourish the scalp, restore follicle health, and promote thicker, healthier hair. Star Anise is a potent natural remedy for addressing alopecia, premature graying, and scalp detoxification. It stimulates follicles, promotes melanin production, and removes toxins that clog hair growth. Below are targeted solutions for each condition. 1. Star Anise for alopecia, including patchy hair loss, bald spots, and weak follicles. How it helps: increases blood circulation, waking up dormant follicles. Fights inflammation, preventing further follicle damage. Strengthens roots with antioxidants and phytonutrients. Remedy: Star Anise and onion juice, follicle reviving serum. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fresh onion juice which stimulates hair regrowth, 1 teaspoon Star Anise powder, and 5 drops rosemary essential oil that prevents hair loss. Instructions: mix all ingredients into a liquid serum. Apply directly to bald spots or thinning areas. Leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse with a mild shampoo. Use every other day for 3 months for noticeable regrowth. Boost results. Drink Star Anise and ginger tea daily to support hair regrowth from within. 2. Star Anise for premature gray hair reversal. How it helps: rich in antioxidants, preventing free radical damage to hair pigments. Supports melanin production, restoring natural hair color. Prevents oxidative stress, a major cause of premature graying. Remedy: Star Anise and curry leaves melanin boosting oil. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise powder, 10 fresh curry leaves which stimulate melanin production, and 3 tablespoons coconut oil. Instructions: heat coconut oil, then add Star Anise and curry leaves. Let it infuse for 5 minutes, then cool and strain. Massage into the scalp and hair, focusing on gray strands. Leave overnight and wash the next morning. Use 3 times a week for natural darkening. Additional support: drink Star Anise and black sesame tea to boost melanin naturally. Reduce stress as it accelerates graying. 3. Star Anise for hair detox and removing product buildup. How it helps: cleanses the scalp, removing toxins and buildup. Regulates sebum levels, preventing greasy or clogged follicles. Restores scalp pH balance for healthy hair growth. Remedy: Star Anise and apple cider vinegar scalp. Detox rinse. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Star Anise powder, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar which removes buildup and balances pH, and 1 cup water. Instructions: mix all ingredients and use as a final rinse after shampooing. Leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Use once a week to detoxify the scalp. Alternative: for deeper detox, use a Star Anise and bentonite clay hair mask once a month. Final hair care tips: alopecia. Combine topical Star Anise treatments with anti-inflammatory foods to speed up regrowth. Gray hair reversal. Reduce stress, eat melanin-boosting foods, and massage your scalp with Star Anise oil. Hair detox. Limit chemical-based hair products and do a natural scalp cleanse monthly. Conclusion: Star Anise is an excellent natural solution for alopecia, premature graying, and scalp detoxification. Regular use of these remedies can restore stronger, darker, and healthier hair. Star Anise is a powerful natural skincare ingredient known for its anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and skin-brightening properties. It helps treat acne, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, eczema, and skin infections while promoting a smooth, youthful complexion. 1. Star Anise for anti-aging and wrinkle reduction. How it helps: rich in antioxidants that prevent collagen breakdown, boosts skin elasticity, reducing fine lines, hydrates and firms sagging skin. Remedy: Star Anise and honey anti-wrinkle mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise infused water, 1 tablespoon raw honey which locks in moisture, and 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel that tightens skin. Instructions: mix ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply to the face and neck for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 times a week for firm, youthful skin. Bonus: add Star Anise tea to your daily diet for anti-aging benefits. 2. Star Anise for acne and oily skin. How it helps: has antibacterial properties that kill acne-causing bacteria. Controls excess oil production, preventing breakouts. Soothes inflammation and redness. Remedy: Star Anise and green tea acne toner. Ingredients: 1 cup green tea which reduces oil and fights acne, 5 Star Anise pods boiled and strained, and 5 drops tea tree oil that kills bacteria. Instructions: boil Star Anise in green tea, let it cool and strain. Add tea tree oil and pour into a spray bottle. Use as a toner twice daily after cleansing. Additional treatment: apply Star Anise and turmeric spot treatment to active pimples for faster healing. 3. Star Anise for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. How it helps: brightens dull skin and fades dark marks, inhibits melanin overproduction, reducing hyperpigmentation, exfoliates dead skin, revealing a fresh glow. Remedy: Star Anise and rice flower skin brightening scrub. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise powder, 1 tablespoon rice flour which is a natural exfoliant, and 1 tablespoon yogurt that fades dark spots. Instructions: mix ingredients into a paste. Gently massage onto damp skin for 2 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use twice a week for even skin tone. For deeper brightening, use a Star Anise and licorice face serum at night. 4. Star Anise for eczema and dry skin. How it helps soothes itchy, inflamed skin. Hydrates dry patches, preventing flaking. Fights bacterial infections linked to eczema. Remedy: Star Anise and shea butter healing balm. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Star Anise infused oil, 2 tablespoons shea butter which deeply nourishes skin, and 1 teaspoon calendula oil that soothes irritation. Instructions: melt shea butter and mix in oils. Let it solidify into a balm. Apply to eczema-prone areas twice daily. Avoid harsh soaps and use a Star Anise and oatmeal bath for extra relief. 5. Star Anise for skin infections and wound healing. How it helps: natural antifungal and antibacterial agent, speeds up wound healing and prevents scarring. Protects against fungal infections like athlete's foot. Remedy: Star Anise and coconut oil antiseptic balm. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise essential oil, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, which is an antibacterial base, and 1 teaspoon beeswax that forms a protective layer. Instructions: melt beeswax and mix in Star Anise oil and coconut oil. Store in a small container. Apply to cuts, wounds, or fungal infections twice daily. For fungal infections, soak affected areas in Star Anise infused water for 10 minutes daily. 6. Star Anise for sunburn and skin protection. How it helps: reduces redness and inflammation, prevents sun damage and premature aging, hydrates and cools irritated skin. Remedy: Star Anise and aloe vera sunburn soothing gel. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise water, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, and 5 drops lavender oil that calms sunburned skin. Instructions: mix all ingredients into a cooling gel. Apply to sunburned skin 2 to 3 times a day. For extra protection, drink Star Anise and chamomile tea to repair sun-damaged skin. 7. Star Anise for under-eye dark circles and puffiness. How it helps: reduces under-eye bags by improving circulation, lightens dark circles and refreshes tired eyes, hydrates and firms delicate skin. Remedy: Star Anise and cucumber under-eye gel. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise infused water, 1 tablespoon cucumber juice which reduces puffiness, and 1 teaspoon almond oil that deeply hydrates. Instructions: mix ingredients into a gel. Apply under the eyes and leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse gently with cool water. Use daily for best results. Conclusion: Star Anise is a versatile and powerful natural ingredient for skin health. Its benefits range from anti-aging and acne treatment to soothing eczema and healing wounds. Incorporating Star Anise into your skincare routine can lead to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Create a YouTube video using exactly this script. Mix ingredients into a cooling gel. Apply under the eyes before bed. Leave overnight and rinse in the morning. For instant relief, place Star Anise-infused tea bags over closed eyes for 10 minutes. Star Anise for natural skin glow and radiance. How it helps: detoxifies the skin, removing impurities and toxins. Stimulates blood circulation, making skin look healthy. Tightens pores, giving a smooth, youthful finish. Remedy: Star Anise and rose water glow mist. Ingredients: 1 cup rose water, 5 Star Anise pods boiled in water, then strained, and 5 drops vitamin E oil. Instructions: mix all ingredients and store in a spray bottle. Mist onto the face throughout the day for hydration and glow. Pair this mist with a Star Anise and honey face mask for an extra radiant look. Final skincare tips and safety. Patch test first. Always test new treatments on a small skin area first. Use consistently. Most remedies take 3 to 4 weeks for visible results. Internal and external care. Combine Star Anise tea with topical treatments for the best skin benefits. Conclusion: Star Anise is a versatile skincare remedy, addressing concerns like acne, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, eczema, and sun damage. With regular use, it revitalizes, nourishes, and brightens the skin naturally. Star Anise for scars, stretch marks, and natural skin lightening. Star Anise is a powerful skin healer, known for its ability to fade scars, reduce stretch marks, and brighten skin naturally. It contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and skin-regenerating properties, making it a perfect natural remedy for achieving smooth, even-toned skin. Star Anise for scar fading and skin regeneration. How it helps: speeds up skin cell turnover, helping scars fade faster. Contains anethole, which boosts collagen production. Fights hyperpigmentation, reducing the appearance of dark scars. Remedy: Star Anise and vitamin C scar fading serum. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Star Anise infused oil, 1 tablespoon rosehip oil, 5 drops lemon essential oil, and half a teaspoon vitamin C powder. Instructions: mix all ingredients and store in a dropper bottle. Apply to scars twice daily, massaging for 2 minutes. Leave overnight for best results. For deeper scars, add Star Anise and aloe vera gel to your routine for extra healing. Star Anise for stretch marks and skin elasticity. How it helps: increases skin elasticity, preventing new stretch marks. Deeply nourishes the skin, making marks fade over time. Encourages collagen and elastin production, which repairs damaged skin fibers. Remedies Star Anise and Shea Butter Stretch Mark Cream. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise infused oil, 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 teaspoon almond oil, and 5 drops lavender essential oil. Instructions: melt shea butter and mix in oils. Store in a jar and apply to stretch marks twice daily. Massage in circular motions for 5 minutes. For faster results, dry brush your skin before applying the cream to increase absorption. Star Anise for natural skin, lightening and glow. How it helps: reduces melanin overproduction, leading to an even skin tone. Brightens dull skin, giving a radiant complexion. Exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin. Remedy: Star Anise and licorice root skin. Brightening mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise powder, 1 teaspoon licorice root powder, 1 tablespoon yogurt, and half a teaspoon honey. Instructions: mix into a smooth paste and apply to the face or body. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 times a week for a naturally brighter complexion. For a full body glow, use a Star Anise and rice water rinse after bathing. Star Anise for dark knees, elbows, and underarms. How it helps: lightens tough dark areas naturally, gently exfoliates dead skin buildup, hydrates and softens rough patches. Remedy: Star Anise and lemon brightening scrub. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Instructions: scrub onto dark knees, elbows, or underarms for 2 minutes, leave for 5 more minutes, then rinse off. Use 3 times a week for best results. Follow up with a moisturizer to prevent dryness. Star Anise for uneven skin tone and sun damage repair. How it helps: repairs sun-damaged skin by reversing oxidative stress, evens out patchy skin tone caused by sun exposure, soothes sunburn and prevents further darkening. Remedy: Star Anise and turmeric skin. Brightening drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm almond milk, half a teaspoon Star Anise powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: mix all ingredients and drink daily. Helps improve skin tone from within while preventing future sun damage. For external repair, apply a Star Anise and yogurt face mask twice a week. Final skincare tips and safety. Sun protection. Always wear sunscreen when using brightening treatments. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to support skin repair. Patch test first. Always test Star Anise remedies on a small area before applying to the face or body. Be consistent. Natural remedies require 4 to 6 weeks for visible results. Conclusion: Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for fading scars, reducing stretch marks, and achieving naturally brighter skin. Whether used in masks, scrubs, or serums, it helps create a smooth, even, and radiant complexion. Star Anise is a potent natural remedy for stubborn skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, cellulite, and dark lips. It works by reducing melanin production, boosting circulation, and stimulating collagen, making it an excellent addition to any skincare routine. Star Anise for stubborn hyperpigmentation and dark spots. How it helps: inhibits tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for excess melanin. Promotes skin regeneration, fading dark patches faster. Lightens acne scars, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. Remedy: Star Anise and kojic acid. Dark spot serum. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Star Anise infused oil, half teaspoon kojic acid powder, a potent skin brightener, 1 teaspoon rosehip oil which fades scars and evens skin tone, 5 drops lemon essential oil. Instructions: mix all ingredients and store in a dropper bottle. Apply to dark spots only before bedtime. Leave overnight and wash off in the morning. Use daily for 4 weeks for noticeable lightening. For an extra boost, use a Star Anise and rice flour face scrub before applying the serum. Star Anise for cellulite reduction and skin firming. How it helps: boosts blood circulation, breaking down fat deposits under the skin, increases collagen production, tightening loose skin, detoxifies skin, reducing fluid retention that worsens cellulite. Remedy: Star Anise and coffee cellulite massage oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Star Anise infused oil, 1 tablespoon coffee grounds which boosts circulation and firm skin, 5 drops grapefruit essential oil which breaks down fat cells. Instructions: mix ingredients into a massage oil. Massage onto cellulite-prone areas like thighs, hips, buttocks, and arms in circular motions for 5 minutes. Wrap with a warm towel for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use daily for 6 weeks for firmer, smoother skin. Pair with dry brushing and hydration for faster cellulite reduction. Star Anise for natural lip lightening and soft lips. How it helps. Reduces lip darkness caused by smoking, dehydration, or sun exposure. Gently exfoliates dry, chapped lips, revealing a pink glow. Keeps lips moisturized and plump. Remedies Star Anise and Beetroot Lip Brightening Balm ingredients. 1 teaspoon Star Anise infused oil. Half teaspoon beetroot powder, which naturally tints lips pink. 1 teaspoon coconut oil, which deeply hydrates. 1 teaspoon shea butter, which locks in moisture. Instructions. Melt coconut oil and shea butter, then mix in other ingredients. Store in a small lip balm container. Apply twice daily for softer, naturally pink lips. For extra exfoliation, use a Star Anise and sugar lip scrub once a week. Star Anise for underarm and bikini area. Lightening how it helps. Fades dark underarms, inner thighs, and bikini area naturally. Gently exfoliates dead skin buildup. Soothes razor burn and irritation. Remedy. Star Anise and turmeric lightening mask. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon Star Anise powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a powerful skin brightener. 1 tablespoon yogurt, which gently exfoliates. 5 drops vitamin E oil, which moisturizes and repairs skin. Instructions. Mix into a paste and apply to dark areas. Leave for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use 3 times a week for visible brightening. Avoid deodorants with harsh chemicals, and opt for natural alternatives. Star Anise for skin detox and glow boosting. How it helps. Eliminates toxins from the skin, giving a natural glow. Balances pH levels, preventing breakouts. Boosts lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness. Remedy, Star Anise and green tea detox bath ingredients. 5 Star Anise pods. 2 green tea bags, which are antioxidant rich. 1 cup Epsom salt, which draws out toxins. Instructions. Add all ingredients to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. Repeat twice a week for clearer, radiant skin. Follow up with a light moisturizer to seal in hydration. Final skincare tips and precautions. Use sunscreen. Skin lightening remedies can make the skin more sensitive to the sun. Be patient. Natural remedies take 4 to 6 weeks to show results. Hydrate well. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily for healthier skin. Consistency is key. Stick to treatments regularly for the best results. Conclusion. Star Anise is an effective natural solution for stubborn hyperpigmentation, cellulite, and dark lips. When used in targeted treatments, it can help you achieve even, bright, and youthful skin without harsh chemicals. Star Anise is a powerful skincare ingredient that gently exfoliates, brightens dark knuckles, and neutralizes odor for a natural deodorant effect. It contains antioxidants, skin-brightening compounds, and antibacterial properties that help in achieving soft, even-toned skin. Star Anise for body exfoliation and smooth skin. It helps by removing dead skin cells, revealing smoother, softer skin. It boosts blood circulation, giving a natural glow. It also prevents ingrown hairs and rough patches. For this remedy, we will use a Star Anise and brown sugar body scrub. You will need 2 tablespoons of Star Anise powder, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar which gently exfoliates, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for deep moisturizing, and 5 drops of vanilla essential oil to soothe the skin. Mix all the ingredients into a thick paste. Massage onto damp skin in circular motions for 5 minutes. Then, rinse off with lukewarm water and apply a moisturizer. Use this scrub twice a week for soft, glowing skin. For deeper exfoliation, you can replace brown sugar with Himalayan salt. Star Anise for dark knuckles, elbows, and feet. This remedy helps lighten dark knuckles, elbows, and feet by reducing melanin buildup. It softens rough skin, making it smooth and even-toned, and removes dead skin buildup, revealing fresher skin. For this remedy, we will use a Star Anise and lemon brightening paste. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of Star Anise powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which acts as a natural bleaching agent, 1 tablespoon of honey to lock in moisture, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, which gently exfoliates. Mix these ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply to dark knuckles, elbows, or feet and leave it on for 10 minutes. Scrub gently and rinse off with warm water. Use this paste 3 times a week for the best results. Follow up with shea butter or coconut oil to prevent dryness. Star Anise for natural underarm deodorant and odor control. This remedy kills odor-causing bacteria without blocking sweat glands, soothes sensitive underarm skin, preventing irritation, and reduces excessive sweating naturally. For this remedy, we will make a Star Anise and coconut oil natural deodorant. You will need 1 tablespoon of Star Anise infused oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which is antibacterial and moisturizing, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder to absorb excess sweat, and 5 drops of tea tree oil to prevent bacterial growth. Melt the coconut oil and mix in the other ingredients. Store in a small jar and apply to underarms daily. Reapply as needed throughout the day. For extra freshness, you can add lavender or peppermint essential oil. Star Anise for brightening underarms and bikini area. This remedy reduces dark underarms and bikini area pigmentation naturally, exfoliates and prevents ingrown hairs, and hydrates and softens the skin. For this remedy, we will use a Star Anise and yogurt lightening mask. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of Star Anise powder, 1 tablespoon of yogurt which gently exfoliates and lightens, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to reduce pigmentation, and 5 drops of vitamin E oil to prevent irritation. Mix into a smooth paste and apply to dark areas. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use this mask 3 times a week for gradual lightening. Avoid harsh shaving creams and opt for aloe vera gel as a natural alternative. Star Anise for soft, smooth hands and feet. How it helps. It prevents cracked heels and rough palms, hydrates and softens dry, flaky skin, and strengthens nails while preventing fungal infections. Remedy: Star Anise and milk hand and foot soak. Ingredients: you will need 5 Star Anise pods, 1 cup of warm milk to soften the skin, 1 tablespoon of honey to lock in moisture, and half a teaspoon of almond oil to strengthen the nails. Instructions: soak your hands or feet in the mixture for 15 minutes, then rinse and apply a nourishing cream. Repeat this process twice a week for smooth, hydrated skin. For extra softness, wear cotton socks overnight after applying a rich moisturizer. Final skincare tips and precautions. Be consistent. Natural remedies work best with regular use. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water for glowing skin. Use natural moisturizers. Follow up with coconut oil, shea butter, or olive oil. Patch test first. Always test Star Anise remedies on a small area before full application. In conclusion, Star Anise is an effective natural ingredient for exfoliation, brightening dark knuckles, and controlling underarm odor. Its powerful antibacterial and skin-rejuvenating properties make it an excellent choice for smooth, even-toned, and fresh skin. Star Anise for cracked heels, nail strengthening, and foot odor control. Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for foot and nail care. It contains antifungal, antibacterial, and skin-repairing properties that help heal cracked heels, strengthen nails, and eliminate foot odor. Star Anise for cracked heels and rough feet. How it helps: softens dry, cracked skin, and promotes healing. Exfoliates dead skin buildup, making feet smoother. Prevents bacterial and fungal infections that worsen cracked heels. Remedy: Star Anise and shea butter healing balm. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Star Anise infused oil, 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 teaspoon honey, and 5 drops lavender essential oil. Instructions: melt shea butter and mix in all ingredients. Apply a generous layer to cracked heels before bed. Wear cotton socks overnight for deep absorption. Use daily until cracks heal completely. For extra exfoliation, soak feet in warm water with Star Anise and Epsom salt before applying the balm. Star Anise for nail strengthening and fungal prevention. How it helps: strengthens brittle, weak nails, preventing breakage. Fights nail fungus and infections naturally. Keeps cuticles healthy and moisturized. Remedy: Star Anise and olive oil nail treatment. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise infused oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 5 drops tea tree oil, and half a teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: mix ingredients and store in a small bottle. Apply to nails and cuticles twice daily. Massage gently for 2 minutes to boost absorption. For stronger nails, soak them in warm water with Star Anise and apple cider vinegar once a week. Star Anise for foot odor and sweaty feet. How it helps: neutralizes bacteria that cause bad odor. Reduces excessive sweating, keeping feet fresh. Acts as a natural antifungal, preventing athlete's foot. Remedy: Star Anise and baking soda foot powder. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Star Anise powder, 2 tablespoons baking soda which absorbs sweat, 5 drops peppermint essential oil for a cooling and refreshing effect, half a teaspoon cornstarch to prevent moisture buildup. Instructions: mix all ingredients and store in a container. Dust a small amount inside shoes or directly onto feet before wearing socks. Use daily to keep feet fresh and odor-free. For severe foot odor, soak feet in warm water with Star Anise and apple cider vinegar for 15 minutes daily. Star Anise for foot soaks and detox baths. How it helps: removes toxins from the feet, improving overall health. relieves swollen, tired feet, prevents fungal infections and foot pain. Remedy: Star Anise and Epsom salt foot soak. Ingredients: 5 Star Anise pods, 2 tablespoons Epsom salt, which relaxes muscles, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, which kills bacteria, and 5 drops eucalyptus essential oil to soothe feet. Instructions: add all ingredients to a basin of warm water. Soak feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Pat dry and apply a nourishing foot cream. Repeat twice a week for refreshed, odor-free feet. For extra hydration, apply coconut oil after soaking and wear socks overnight. Final foot and nail care tips. Keep feet dry. Always dry your feet thoroughly after washing to prevent infections. Moisturize daily. Use coconut oil, shea butter, or olive oil for soft, crack-free heels. Wear breathable shoes. Choose cotton socks and avoid tight, non-breathable footwear. Trim nails properly. Keep toenails short and clean to prevent fungus buildup. Use antifungal sprays. If prone to athlete's foot, spray shoes with tea tree oil and Star Anise mist. Star Anise is a powerful natural remedy for cracked heels, weak nails, and foot odor. With its antibacterial, antifungal, and moisturizing properties, it helps keep feet soft, strong, and odor-free. If you love natural beauty and wellness remedies, don't forget to subscribe to Liz J Naturals for more amazing tips. Like this post if you found it helpful. Comment below with your favorite remedy or any questions you have. Share this with friends and family who love natural skincare and hair care. Your support helps us bring you more powerful, all-natural solutions for healthy skin, hair, and overall wellness. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe now.